Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy triangle shawl. For this shawl I used Alize Diva and number 2 crochet hook. This pattern is only 2 rows repeated. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and make a double crochet into first chain, yarn over, insert hook into first chain and make double crochet, then chain 2 and make 2 double crochet into first chain here, 1 and 2. Row 1 is finished. For next row, chain 4 and turn the work, and then go to this chain 2 space and make a puff stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull a long loop, again yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 3 and 4. Now yarn over, pull through all loops, then chain 2. Again, make a puff stitch into same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, and make another puff stitch into same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, and for last time go to same space and make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Now I have 4 puff stitch and 3 chain 2 space between them, and then chain 1 and make a double crochet into third chain of turning chains here. Okay, row 2 is finished. For next row, row 3, chain 3 and turn the work, and go to first chain 1 space and make a double crochet, then chain 2 and make another double crochet into same space. Now chain 3 and go to second chain 2 space here and make a single crochet, then chain 3 and again make a single crochet into same space and chain 3. And after that, go to last chain 1 space here after these puff stitches and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and another double crochet into same space, then make a double crochet into third chain of turning chains of previous row here, and row 3 is finished. For next row I want to make puff stitches again, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 and turn the work, and go to this chain 2 space between these 2 double crochets and make 4 puff stitches with 3 chain 2 space between them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2, again 1 puff stitch into same space, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2, make third puff stitch into same space and chain 2 and make last puff stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, after that go to second chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3 here, and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and another double crochet into same space. Okay, now go to this chain to space between these two double crochets and make puff stitches here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2 again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2 again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2 for last time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1 and make a double crochet into third chain of beginning turning chains. Okay, now you can see that in this row I have 2 groups of puff stitches. In second row I have 1 group of puff stitch. Okay, for next row, row 5, chain 3 and turn the work and go to first chain 1 space before first group of puff stitches here and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and another double crochet into same space, then chain 3 and go to second chain 2 space of these 3 chain 2 spaces here and make 1 single crochet, then chain 3 and make another single crochet into same space and chain 3. Okay, then I go to next chain 2 space here between these 2 double crochets and make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet. Again, chain 3 and make 1 double single crochet into second chain 2 space between these 4 puff stitches. Make single crochet, chain 3, make single crochet again and chain 3. And now go to last chain 1 space here after second group of puff stitches and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and another double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into third chain of beginning chains. And row 5 is finished. I want to start row 6 with 4 chains and turn the work and make 4 puff stitches here into first chain 2 space between these 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2 for last time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then go to second chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3 here and make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Then go to next chain 2 space here between these 2 double crochets and make 4 puff stitches. 1, chain 2, 2, chain 2, 3, chain 2 and 4. Then go to second chain 3 space. 1, 2 here and make 1 double crochet, 2 2 chains and 1 double crochet. And for last time, I want to make 4 puff stitches into this chain 2 space between these 2 double crochets. 1, 2 chains, 2, 2 chains, 3, 2 chains, and 4. Okay, and chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into third chain of turning chains here. Okay, row 6 is finished, and in this row I have 3 groups of puff stitches. 1 group in row 2, 2 group in row 4, and 3 group in row 6. And I repeat this sequence and repeat these 2 rows several times. 1, 2, 3, and turn the work and make 1 V-stitch into first chain 1 space with 1 double crochet, 2 chain, and another double crochet into same space, then chain 3 and go to second chain 2 space between these 4 puff stitches. Here make 1 single crochet, chain 3 and make another single crochet, and then chain 3 and go to chain 2 space between these 2 double crochets and make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, again chain 3 and go to second chain 2 space between 4 puff stitches, single crochet, chain 3, again single crochet and chain 3, and go to chain 2 space between these 2 double crochets and make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, chain 3, go to second chain 2 space here between 4 double crochets and 4 puff stitches, 1 single crochet, chain 3, again 1 single crochet and chain 3, and go to last chain 1 space after last group of puff stitches here and make a double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet, then make a double crochet into third chain of turning chains of the beginning of previous row. This is row 7, and for next row 1, 2, 3 and 4, and turn the work. And in this row I want to make 4 group of puff stitches. Go to chain 2 space here between these 2 double crochets and make 4 puff stitches. 1, 2, chain 2, 3, chain 2, and 4. Okay, then make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet into second chain 3 space here. 1, 2 chains and 1 double crochet. Go to next chain 2 space between 2 double crochets and make 4 puff stitches with 3 chain 2 space between them. and repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, at the end, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into third chain of 13 chains. And now in this row 7, I have 4 group of puff stitches, and repeat these 2 rows, row 7, row 8. Repeat these 2 rows several times until you reach the desired size for your shawl. I repeated those 2 rows several times, and you can see that I have 5 groups in next repeat and 6 group in next, 7 group in next, and 8 group in next, and the number of groups in each even row is 1 more than 2 rows below. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.